Hi, my name is Mahira. I am in yes, I am in 11 years old. I am live in Pangandaran. I I want to be doctor. My dream job is being a doctor. I want to be a doctor because I will treating the patient. I think doctor is wonderful job. In the future, I will work in a hospital and I will treating my my patient happily. To achieve my dream, I will study hard and I will I will practice so I can go to good university and be a good doctor. I hope I hope someday my dream will become true. Don't forget to call me Dr. Mahira if someday you see me as a doctor, okay? That's all about my dream job. Thank you.